Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Welcome to another episode of Wave Watch with your host, Sleepy Bull here. And tonight, because it's 10 p.m. Eastern Time here in New York City, tonight we will be going over the total to crypto market cap, and we will see where we are in the cycle. Don't want to waste too much time here, but just want to give you a brief overview of the bull and bear count and where we expect to go and where we are. So here, I'm just giving you guys a brief overview of the, let me just change this to, this is super cycle. So should it be cycle? And this is cycle. And this is super cycle. Let's just call it what it is. Yeah, don't worry about all that. It's just nomenclature at this point. I'm gonna just put these out the way here. This is not for eons to come, but you will live to tell the story of your grandchildren of where you were on the great cryptocurrency wave 2 on the super cycle scale. So right now we are currently, it is my belief that we're currently in super cycle wave 2 of the total cryptocurrency market cap, altcoin market cap. Did we just put a bottom at wave 2? I doubt it. Wave 2s usually retrace super deep. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3, this is wave 4, this is wave 5. Normally when you put in 5 waves, you expect something similar in size. So you should be expecting something like a B, C, something like that, or like this and whatnot. What we're seeing here is very small in comparison to these megalithic macroscopic moves. Very small. I've touched upon this in the prior videos that we know that because we're in a wave. Our wave 5 just finished right at the top, whether you measure it by the length of wave 1. Of course, this is log fibs. This is how I do macro, or whether you do the 618 extension. Either way, you hit the top of wave 5 here. So the question is now, was that the bottom? And the one way to tell if that was the bottom is by counting your 3-5 moves, or 535, or in easy speak, it's either WXY correction or ABC correction, and this looks like it's a WXY. So we have a W, wave X up, wave Y down. So this is technically considered a bear count. Now and this is just the overview. The maximum, I think Prechter, I gotta bring you guys the book on here to show you guys, but I believe Prechter stated that it's a guideline that the lowest depth of the bear market should be maintained or contained at above the prior degree wave 4, which is this level here. So we're definitely way ahead of that. So let me see here, or you can say that that's because this is 1 degree or larger wave 4. The degree under it would be this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is here. So this one doesn't count here. That's why we went in WX and expecting a Y. Now, in my prior video, you will notice that I did say that we were expecting rejection at the top of this channel, and would you know it, we got rejection. The question is, will this hold here? Will that hold? Let's see. I don't want to make any promises, but let me just give you guys the bear count. This is the bear count. I call this the triangle bear count. It's really not a triangle, but it's the bear count. And we show you guys here that we have a extended fifth. That's what this is. This is an extended fifth on wave 5 with an ABC correction or WXY correction for wave W, ABC for wave X, and a WXY for wave Y, making a larger degree. We're going to make this primary, and it should be there here, or rather a cycle degree, wave W. Cycle degree wave X here, and cycle degree wave Y. And I'm going to change that right now. Cycle. Give this the royal cycle purple. There you go. And there you go. There you have it. Cycle degree wave X. And now, why do I say this is wave X? This is, cycle degree wave Y. And why do I say this is wave X? Well, wave X could be anything, including a WXY wave. And so we have it. We have a leading diagonal wave A, WXY, wave B, and what do they call this? Impulsive wave C, which is natural. Now you'll note on the WXY is measured like this. Now you'll note this changed a little bit from the prior count, just because we knew this was a corrective move wave up in the bear count, and the expanded WXY with a shortened, or you could say triangle wave Y here, A, B, C, D, E. This is the A, B, C, D, E wave, triangle wave Y. It just fit the bear case so much better. Well, that's not, is that really a triangle? Because this is A, B, C, and this is A, B, C, D. Yeah, this is a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. There you go. There you go. We're going to make this a subminuet degree here. There we go. Right. And so now we have a cycle degree wave W, cycle degree wave X, and it hits the 1618 just like we expected to. A, B, or W, X, or an A, B, C. My apologies, that's correct. That is the ABC, right where we expected to. Now we overshoot a little, and that's fine, because we expect crypto to overshoot a little. A few coins that overshoot are XRP, notoriously overshoots, and in the Elliott, we usually overshoot to the 1786 or 618. Elliott always said that, or Prechter, Elliott in the Prechter book stated that, in commodities and certain markets, wave C's can extend up to the 2618. The question is that bullish? Is that bearish? It depends on what you're looking at, but it's possible to have a wave C overtake the top to the 2618 and then reverse down in a large bearish move, as you saw here. And I'm not sure if this is a wave C, but we overtook the top. If you could take this as a, even though it can be, if you take that as an A, B, C move, we hit the 2618 and we retraced. Is it possible that we're repeating something similar? Probably. And so that's why we can observe this as a bearish corrective move up before continuation back to the downside, eventually to this marker here. And yeah, that's the bear count. The bull case, where's the bull case? Here. And this is the bull case. It's not very complicated. It's actually rather simple. So if simplicity is your thing, this is it. Cycle wave 5. You could count this as a wave 5 with a simple WXY cycle degree 2, which in the context of this, to be honest, makes no sense. The context of all this, in the context of all this, are we really gonna say that this is cycle degree wave 2 or super cycle degree wave 2? That's why I'm more in the bear case. But if this is the bullish case, if I am adamantly wrong, then this is the bull case. Cycle degree wave 2, 1, 2, 3, which we have hit, retrace for a 4, wave 5 for a primary degree wave 1 of cycle degree wave 3. That's the big enchilada. Wave 2 for a back test, and then onwards. And yeah, this is the total to cryptocurrency, total to altcoin count. And unfortunately, I am bearish, and I expect to see a retracement down to here, retest the prior top, and then further down to here. So this could be the low. It could be a flat and bounce here, or it can shoot down to where I expect it to be, down here somewhere, or down here somewhere. But it all remains to be seen. The next move down, let me just go back to the bear case. Let me go back to the bear case here. The next move down. Let me just organize this here. There we go. The next move down will be something like this, and this will be the final flush out before the granddaddy true crypto altcoin bull run. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Sleepy bull out.